Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Blue color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, dark green color, light green color, pink color, rose pink color. Small A for arrow. Small B for beer. Small C for candy. Small D for dog. Small E for elephant. Small F for fox. Small G for grass. Small H for can. Small I for ice cream. Small J for jungle. Small K for kangaroo. Small L for lemon. Small M for monkey. Small N for nest. Small O for oil. Small P for parrot. Small Q for queen. Small R for rabbit. Small S for snake. Small T for tortoise. Small U for umbrella. Small V for van. Small W for watch. Small X for X-ray. Small Y for yam. Small Z for zebra. Subscribe.